Cats make loud noises when mating primarily for communication purposes. These vocalizations, often characterized by yowling or caterwauling, serve to attract potential mates and establish dominance within their territory. Both male and female cats may vocalize loudly to signal their readiness to mate. Additionally, female cats in heat may yowl loudly to attract male cats and indicate their receptiveness to mating. In multi-cat households or areas with high cat populations, mating may involve competition between males for access to females, leading to intensified vocalizations as a means of intimidating rivals and establishing dominance. However, it's essential to note that these vocalizations can also indicate discomfort or pain during mating, particularly if the mating process is aggressive. Overall, the loud noises that cats make during mating are a complex interplay of communication, territoriality, competition, and signaling readiness for reproduction. Please subscribe. Thanks.